Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the importance of critical thinking skills. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of critical thinking skills. Thinking skills are crucial in various aspects of life, education, and the workplace. Here are some key reasons why developing and honing critical thinking skills is important. Number one, problem solving. Critical thinking involves analyzing information, considering different perspectives, and evaluating evidence. These skills are essential for effective problem solving, enabling individuals to identify, analyze, and devise solutions to complex issues. Number two, decision making. Critical thinking aids in making informed and reasoned decisions. It allows individuals to weigh pros and cons, considering potential consequences, and make choices based on thoughtful evaluating rather than impulsivity. Number three, analytical skills. Critical thinking involves breaking down information into a component parts, understanding the relationships between these parts and recognizing patterns. This analytical approach enhances a person's ability to understand complex concepts and situations. Number four, creativity. While critical thinking involves analysis and evaluation, it also fosters creativity. The ability to think critically allows individuals to explore innovative solutions, thinking outside the box, and generate new ideas. Number five, effective communication. Critical thinking is closely linked to effective communication. Individuals who can think critically are better able to articulate their thoughts, express ideas clearly, and engage in constructive dialogue. They can also understand and interpret the perspectives of others. 6. Research skills. Critical thinking is integral to effective research. It involves evaluating the credibility and reliability of sources, synthesizing information, and drawing valid conclusions. These skills are essential for academic research as well as staying informed in various fields. Number 7, learning and adaptability. Critical thinking is a key component of active learning. It encourages individuals to question assumptions, seek new information, and adapt to changing circumstances. In a rapid evolving world, the ability to learn and adapt is crucial. Number 8, ethical decision making. Critical thinking is essential for ethical decision making. It helps individuals consider the ethical implications of their choices, weight moral values, and make decisions that align with ethical principles. Number 9, professional development. Employers highly value critical thinking skills in the workplace. Employees who can think critically are better equipped to solve problems, make sound decisions, and contribute effectively in their organizations. Number 10, lifelong learning. Critical thinking is a skill that transcends specific fields of study or professions. It is a foundational skill that supports continuous learning and personal development throughout one's life. In summary, critical thinking is a fundamental skill that empowers individuals to navigate the complexities of life, make informed decisions, and contribute meaningful to their communities and workplaces. It is essential component of well-rounded education as key factor in personal and professional success. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the importance of critical thinking skills. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.